goodness. It's a slut vibe. Okay, so you already know who this is. It's Black Roche, and I'm not even gonna get into a long introduction. I'm just gonna jump right ahead and get into this vibe. Okay, so this is going to be my second slut box, and you know, I've seen a lot of mixed reviews about the first one. You know, for some people it was a real miss. I think it was for a real miss for me, except for the Candy Smack chapstick. Like that I use daily to this day. Lips popping. The other stuff I use some of that. I try to leave, but I ain't ready to get to go like, you know, into the other things. If you watch that video, you'll see what I'm talking about. I don't want to give too much away. So let's just open it. My keys. I have no nails. Ow! See, you know it's painful when you're trying to open something with no freaking nails. Yes, the same design in the box. So this, I guess this is the staple for the box. I still love it. I love this. I'm probably gonna try to put this on my wall, you know, or cut these out and put it in a picture frame. Oh my god, DIYs! And then rip it good, but it was ripped. And ooh, look at the baddie on the front page. What you talking about? About to do the slut walk? Who's going to the slut walk with me? October 6th. Who's coming? Who's coming? Who's coming? Now let's go to what we really want right now. Alright, so we got a couple of coupons. I won't get into the coupons this time because last time I spent so much time on them. But yeah, we got a couple of coupons. Ooh, what is this? What this is? Ooh, what to do if you're stopped by a police? You need to know your rights. Yo, this tells you all your rights. This is actually lit. I might go over this. This might be another video. Let's put it in. Ooh, titty lifts. Breast lifts, I mean. Breasts, not titties. Breasts, there's a difference. I think, I don't know. But ooh, perfect. I'm curious about what's in here, so I'm gonna open this, you know? I gotta open it. Ooh. Girl, hold up. It says the Body Adapting Smart Personal Massager. And it's a gift card. What you trying to give me, girl? A $50 gift card. Ooh, redeem exclusive discount by going to mymysteriousvibe.com using the following code SLUTVIBES50. I'm gonna put this in here. I ain't gonna use it. I don't need it. I don't need that. I don't need it. Let's get into the box itself. And right off the back, I see this rose quartz. Oh my god! I'm sorry. I love Steven Universe. I love rose quartz. Even though, spoiler alert, she's not rose. Rose quartz is not real. Spoiler alert, she's pink diamond. But love it nonetheless. And I love roses. And I love my name. It's Black Rose. And this is a rose quartz. And I'm gonna keep it forever. Self-love, inner peace, healing. Thank you, Amber Rose. You know, rose vibes. I appreciate you. This one is, I'm bad at pronouncing stuff. Apothecary. Oh, this is a tea. Ooh, okay. A bedtime inspired blend of it's a herbal tea. It's a hemp herbal tea. Does this have cannabis in it? Yo, you gotta start trying to get me high, Amber. Amber always trying to get me high. It's hemp in this. You were giving me weed again. I want to open it, but I don't want to open it right now. All right, but this is it. And it's tea, and I'm going to try this. Next we have, ooh, all right, I'm guessing these are, yeah, these are for your teeth, your boobs, your breasts. So I like this. This is cute. Do not disturb. Cool lube. Wait, cocoa lube. Oh, okay. There's a little lube in here. Try that later. Alright, this says this is a roll-on perfume oil, and I've been dying to get some new perfume, so this is perfect. And it smells. Wait, hold on. Oh, hold on. Alright, so it says amber is supposed to be the scent, and it's actually I actually like this a lot. Damn, I got it all on my lip. No, but I like this a lot because I do have allergies for perfumes, and this is just very subtle, and it smells like divine. Guys, don't mind my eyebrows because I gotta get this done. And this box felt very light when I was looking at it, so like it's not as heavy as the other box, like the one I got last time. This is the Estate Do Me. Do me. Do it. Do me. You get it? You know? Oh, snap. I read it. Okay. It's a highlighter, so let's see how poppin' this is. Ooh, that's pretty. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. Ooh. Alright, so it doesn't, like, the pigment is not, like, as poppin' as I want it to be. But it is pretty. It's a pretty nice light color. It is a kind of powdery, I'm not gonna lie. But maybe if I use it like more, it'll get more shiny. But this is a pretty color. I don't knock it. Just is not like a Rihanna like kilowatt type of highlight. It's more like softer, powdery highlight. And it's still gorgeous. Okay, this is Egyptian Magic all-purpose cream. It doesn't really have a scent, but it's more of a balm, you know? Yeah, it's more like, not AD ointment, because it's too thick, but it's more like a balm. Like, if anything, it's a balm. Ooh, it says badass bitch balm. Fuck you mean. I need to stop cursing. But yeah, look at these. I think I wanna like these. Yo, I like these. Gotta open. Damn! Smells like spearmint. You need this if your breath is kicking. I'll try it. Ooh, it just slid right on. And I'm waiting for that. Yeah, it gives you a nice cooling sensation. I actually like that. It smells just like mint. I love the smell of mint. It smells like gum, spearmint gum. Oh my god. And this is butter. If nothing else is butter, this is butter. This is what butter should be made out of. That's butter. Butter. I'ma just let you read this. Alright, this is called the Egg. And it's a two-way massager. Super stress sensation for, ooh. Okay, this is not PG anymore, so I'm definitely gonna have to put a rating on this, cause this is, my Slut box are not for kids. So I'm gonna have to put age restriction, cause I gotta go into details with this. So this is the Egg. I don't want to destroy this paper completely, cause I want to know what it's called later on in life. All right, so basically it says that it's a super stress sensation for men. So let's see, we open it. Ooh, what the fuck? Oh, wait. Oh. Okay. Okay. And this, oh. Okay. Yes, it does exactly what I think it does. Basically, this inside, with all this fibers in it, acts like the vagina. And this is the lubricant. I'm guessing you know what else to do with this. Next is a slut button to freedom! Yo, anybody knows why Nikki was wilding out like that? I have no idea. I don't know why she said freedom when she was talking about Harriet Tubman. I don't know, but I want to know. So link that below if you know. But yeah, I got a slut button and I'm all for it. Let me put this on. We'll put this on. Slut button! Alright, so now we're down to the last one. Like I said, this was a very light box. Like when I held it, I knew it was not a lot of stuff in it. This was a really light box, to be honest. This box wasn't as heavy as the other box that had, like, I think a little bit more product in it. But it was nice just the same. And I think it's because they gave us a lot of expensive things. Like there's a lot of expensive stuff in here that, you know, break the budget. So I understand why it wasn't like a whole bunch of like OD heavy stuff. But to end this off, I got this is a cute green tea toner from Facial Forensic, and they are kind of like not expensive, but they're more the high-end toners, and I needed one for a very long time. This one has green tea, rosemary, peppermint, and vitamin C, and it refreshes and tones your skin. I like this. I do. I'm glad I have this because I definitely didn't have one. And this one has a shelf life of 12 months, so a year. So you better get the use out of it. That means it's natural. So that's good. If it has a shelf life, that means it's natural. But roses, that's about it. So until next time, I will see you guys later. I will try to put out more videos. I just been busy with school and, you know, just trying to keep up with everything. I apologize for no videos. I apologize for lying, saying I'm putting more videos. I apologize for clapping my hands like this, like I'm about to do something and I am pussy. Hope to see you guys soon. Keep liking, comment, subscribe, you know, share my videos, get the word out there. Rose gang! Until next time, I see you later.